The MicroSurvey defaults are a series of settings that get saved with your project that control how MicroSurvey functions will interact with your CAD file. When you open a new drawing, you can see the general configuration options, which is the first of the group of the MicroSurvey settings. Once you've approved them and you close them, anytime you hit save, then any change that you've made to the MicroSurvey defaults will be saved with your drawing. See on this graphic, this summarizes the four major categories for the MicroSurvey defaults. We've got the general configuration options, we've got the system toggles, we've got the hot toggles, and over on the MS Annotate tab, there are the labeling defaults. You can control how the MicroSurvey defaults are applied in the MS Tools ribbon and in the defaults group. So here you can see where you can, if you have configured a drawing exactly the way you'd like it to be configured for all of your future projects, if you select Save as Default Configuration, that'll make it the defaults, as I said, for all your future projects. If you wish to save a configuration file so that you can share your settings with another user or another workstation, then you can do so here. And sometimes you'll have multiple configurations depending on, you might have a variety of clients or industries where you've found it's most efficient to configure a variety of configurations. And of course, when you've saved a configuration file on the other workstation, you'll read the configuration file. If at any point you want to get all of your settings back to the way they were when the program was first installed, Reset to Factory Defaults will reset your default settings. If you'd like to transfer both your MicroSurvey defaults and a variety of other settings, such as your automap, your mapping files, your default blocks, your template, and things like that, then the Migration Wizard is an excellent tool. It'll make a zip file of all of these files that make it easy for you to read into another workstation. Just be sure to do a Save Configuration File option first, because the config file that it creates gets included in the Migration Wizard. Thanks so much for your interest in the MicroSurvey defaults. Watch the following movies on MicroSurvey settings for the specifics on these different types of settings.